This is the new 2026 Dacia Sandero facelift. The updated Sandero gets new light signatures at the front and rear, new wheels, new exterior colors, and a bigger 10-inch multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Customers looking for even greater driving comfort and safety can now opt for 3 new features: automatic headlights, multi-view camera, and power folding door mirrors. There is also a new EcoG 120 powertrain, the first LPG powertrain available with an automatic gearbox. This powertrain comes with a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, making 120 horsepower, coupled to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission as an alternative to the 6-speed manual gearbox. The 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine available on Sandero and Logan now delivers 100 horsepower compared with 90 horsepower previously. Guys, if you like the new Dacia Sandero, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks!